All right, good evening, CNT 1010. Welcome to week 6. So, as we continue our analysis of different types of construction materials, we're going to move this week into actually looking at the application of two of these. We're going to look at stone and masonry. In chapter 13, we're going to discuss the various types of stone or rock, the characteristics, how it's formed, and particular uses in construction. As you look around, you'll find different uses in your neighborhoods, in your house, in the cities around you, and you'll begin to see how that use of stone has evolved over time. In older buildings, such as an old church or something like that, you'll see large blocks of stone that were part of the actual main construction of the building. In more modern times, you're going to see stone used more as just a facade or the facing of a building. So take a look at that as you go around. Now, in chapter 13, we're going to look at the art of masonry. And yes, I called it an art. So if you've ever worked with or seen a mason working on their craft, they can actually create some amazing structures just by using block or brick. So in chapter 14, we're going to take a look at that. And although stone masonry is one of the oldest professions that we have, typically today masonry is dealing with brick or concrete block. So in this week's lessons, you're not only going to learn about that and how you use it, but you'll also take a look at things like how you calculate the amount of brick or the amount of mortar that you need when constructing a building or putting up a facade. So I encourage you to read the 2 chapters early and then spend some time walking around the neighborhood, walking around the city. See if you can identify things in buildings that you take a look at that are in our textbook. Different methodologies. Look at things like the spacing on brick or the mortar spacing on brick or block. Look at the type of pattern that's being used on a brick building and see if you can identify that as you go through. So, as always, I look forward to seeing your work this week, and I hope you have a great week. Thank you.